Yes, so I don't come. Many things they happen. Many things they happen when we say I just dey overlook everybody for Nigeria, for this, especially this, in fact, for this our country, Nigeria. But why BC the youth of Nigeria? Why BC the youth of Nigeria? They just do like they do like people when no get sense again. Now because of small change. Is it because of this little changes they are giving you people? You people are as in selling your rights. So because if they want just do votes, they will give now 4,000. Now we just lose in a sense. Now not gonna know na bet right again. Now not gonna know na left and right again. So for all this one still they do now. So we still want make Buhari and Atiku make it stay enter power B. Una still want me to stay enter power B. Now go die. Now go die for this one. I swear to God, for this election, for this presidency election when it comes to anybody when vote for PDP, any Nigerian youth or any Nigerian man or woman when vote for PDP, now thunder go strike that person, go tear into two. Now thunder go strike that person, go tear that person into two. Now so I talk and so it will be. And for you, Buhari, you don't chop Nigeria money, do nonsense. It never reach you. You say you want to enter power again, may you continue for you for stop. As for you, all those plane when they run enter up and down, helicopter when they run enter up and down. Now inside you for crash. Now you and that helicopter go crash together. That's why I talk and so it will be. And the same thing will happen to you, Atiku. Now as I talk and so it will be. Now no one leave Nigeria alone. The politicians, all those wicked politicians, who know not safe. Now no one leave Nigeria alone, abi. Nigeria is overreach. Nigeria is the rich, has overreached the world in Nigeria, and over suffer still the world in Nigeria. Now Nigeria rich pass. Now they suffer pass. Just imagine. If things good for your country, your children will come out for your country. Say they call another man country. Say they want go live their life for there. You know they think. For how long now? Until Nigeria turn to bury ground before now go get sense. Until Nigeria turn to bury ground. I swear, you Buhari, if you not take time, win battle when they eat five bicycle, now you go jam all your children and your wife, you go kill all of them now. If you are not careful, your children will begin to die for your eye. The same thing goes to Atiku. Well, I forgive those children because those children they are innocent. But for you, Atiku and Buhari, and die na thunder go strike you now. If you don't want to leave Nigeria alone, if not, so okay. Just imagine, young guys, young boys, young people go school finish for them to make use of what they go learn for school. Una wey be old man when don't know anything. Una go stay for there. They just imagine illiterate they rule Nigeria. Why the graduates they serve under illiterate. Graduates are serving under illiterate, and you people are happy about it. Nigeria has all what it takes to be equivalent to America, but wickedness of bad leaders. The wickedness of bad leader is killing Nigeria. Those days I used to hear Nigeria is the giant of Africa. We are the fucking giant of Africa. Giant of Africa that does not know their left and right. I pity for any youth where will say you want to go vote for PDP. So we are gonna suffer for start. Now one more stick. We want to continue on suffer. For we are gonna suffer for start. For stop, abi. Instead of now to dey pray for good life, now good country, good as in good economic. Now they think, now they lavish on a man, they lavish on a strength, they lavish on a life till they do rubbish things they go. Just look at things that is going on in our country, Nigeria. Look at Ghana here. Look, as in, when I look just neighboring countries around Nigeria, when I check on whether not the same it be with Nigeria. Now not the get sense. Which day una go wise? Now which day una one wise? They say why? Okay, now they say vote for change. For person when don't fair treat una, for when don't drill una, chop una money. Now una want still vote the enter say now vote for change. All the money when they tell now when they hear say they recover for so place, recover for this one, recover for. Una not fit to think and where the money they go. What did the money don't do? What did they don't use the money do ever since? But that they will still tell now say they still as in Nigeria still they owe. They will tell now say Nigeria they own for all the money where they don't recover. Nigeria still they own. The best hospital for Europe, and Nigeria man get them. The best train for Europe, and Nigeria man get them. The best school for Nigeria for Europe, and Nigeria man get them. If those things there for Nigeria na bad thing, una dull it never lie one wise one adulity. No wonder Igbo people say they want separate from una. Because they have been able to think where they know that this thing is not right for them. It's not right for them at all. How can one person just be killing you, still yet you keep going close to that person, saying that person is no. I pity. Just what the fuck? Nigeria, now better big up, man. Now better big up. You guys better big up. Then for the police and for the police, we now go see small boy when don't strong go after don't strong go finish, don't manage to enjoy himself. Now go send another boy. Now I put eye for him body now. Now begin to popo the person now, they zaga the person, they disturb the small boy. When the small boy dey for street, they hustle. Now know that one. But if you go carry gun now, now begin pursue one. Hold on, kill him. Then with the brain and the knowledge when God give him, he don't suffer settle down, press computer, do what you want to do, suffer getting your money. Not be your papa money, not be your mama money. Now say now I want go disturb, now I want go collect your share. Your papa put your money for the way you want go collect your share. Your mama put money for the way you want go collect your share. Or go fight as a devil. Thunder strike all of una, thunder tear on pieces. Make thunder tear on pieces. Politicians when say Nigeria no when no want make Nigeria better, now thunder go strike them pieces. PDP, AC, now don't rule that country, Nigeria. Mona run come for there. Let other party rule. Okay. Just imagine. Okay, for example, what also whatever you do now, because the man they talk with boldness, because the man have what it takes to change, to run after you guys. Then you guys decided to impeach the guy. Just imagine. You foolish pastor, you call yourself a pastor and you are supporting what you tropically know that yes, this thing is bad. You are supporting it. May God baptize you. May God baptize you in a bastard way. In the name of Jesus Christ, I pray. You shall never know good in your life. You call yourself a pastor. Any pastor when they come out, they still put their mouth say yes, may they vote for PDP. Now thunder go strike all of them into pieces. Now not get sense. Now never even know anything. After I don't deceive members finish for church collect members money. Now I say okay, now politics now. Not be to deceive members for church again. Now politics now God go make thunder strike and God punish you now. Now go hey. You are better big up. You guys better big up. How about this one that they do so? Then for you Ibuari and in fact, are they one una? Now better come up for that this thing. before something bad go remove una leg for ground enter 6 feet. Not be even 6 feet, 10 feet in fact. All the rubbish wey I don do for years till now, e never reach una. Na still continue. For the youth, na better wise o, na better wise. Na election day you come still carry your PVC. I wan go vote for PDP. PDP give me 4,000. God punish you. God punish you for 4,000. So na 4,000. If you get work, if you get work, if like today now they give you work, they pay you 200,000. They pay you 100,000. Na bad thing. Senseless human being. Sense when I not get, then they kill and they go so. Sense when I not get. Now better big up. What a bomb shit. In fact, I the verse for now. Anyhow. Now better use na sense. All this one I do so. All they do nonsense. The youth when be say now supposed stand gidigba. Now go stand gidigba say no level. These people without us, this person no go enter this position. Now we still carry una yeye fucking voters card. Say now still go vote wrong party. And clearly una know say yes, this party is wrong. Clearly now still use una leg waka enter there. Use una hand put the voters card. Now still vote. Use una PVC. Still use and vote. And you, after una don vote finish now, come dey complain NEPA, no road, no water, no. In fact, na God go punish you now if you still go vote for PDP and AC. That PDP and AC, those two parties, if you still go vote for them, na God go punish you now. Which don't get sense. They say how when Papa take beat pikin, he still take a drop pikin their body. Pikin when Papa when beat pikin finish, when no gree, when no draw near body now, that one na Papa. Na better get sense, na better get sense. If they want do announce anything, na NEPA, na that time they know say they will call NEPA, tell NEPA, make NEPA take light. The month will end. When month one end, NEPA will bring light for only 1 hour. They will take and the next thing they don't come. They won't come collect money for light where they don't bring. Na better wise for all these things when I do so. Ogu kill NEPA, ogu kill Atiku, ogu kill Buhari. Now get sense. Na better wise when I still go to vote for PDP. PDP when don't finish Nigeria after all the thing where PDP don't do now still good. Now Thunder go strike PDP, strike Atiku, strike Buhari. Thunder go tear it into pieces. Go the kill now. Ikpalaba kill now as fella they talking. You don't tell when fella don't they tell us all these things right from time. Those when fella don't talk, Idris don't talk, Two-Face don't talk, many artists don't talk. We want to get sense. When now okay now one person call me that they beg una before now no son now guessing. Now beg una need. As other country take better so now think say na just one person just stand and just do and make the whole country better. Mumu people. No go join hands together. I dey tell now those one for not to wise. Who know say want join me, make you join me. I who know say you ready to come comment bad comment for this video and I'm ready to swear for that person. I still ready to use you as in fact both Bible and Juju now take kill that person. Because I stand for the right. I stand for the truth. Gidigba. Make God punish you now when be so now they form wiseness now don't do anything. Now we're not gonna form wiseness. The cultist people, now they kill now people they go. Now they kill people they go. We now not see politics when they do bad thing for the country. One now go kill them. We now not see all these ones. Boko Haram when they say make soldiers go fight, they not give soldiers better weapon. Then they say make soldiers go they fight Boko Haram. Soldiers they die for Boko Haram hand, and now then they say be the Boko Haram. God they come for now.